In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Shopify product link. If you're running an online store, knowing how to quickly grab and share a direct link to a product is really important. You'll use this link in social media posts, marketing campaigns, emails, or even when answering customer questions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, starting from your Shopify dashboard and ending with a ready-to-use product link you can paste anywhere. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the main admin screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where Shopify keeps all the main sections for managing your store. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. This will open up a list of all the products in your store. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific product you want to share. You can also use the search bar at the top of the product list if you have a lot of items. Just type in the product name or a keyword and select the correct one from the results. Click on that product to open its editor page. Now you're inside the product editor, where you usually manage details like the title, description, images, price, and inventory. What we need here though is the share option. Look towards the top right corner of this page. You should see a button or link labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. When you click Share, a small drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, choose the option that says Copy Link. As soon as you select this, Shopify automatically copies the full product link to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the page itself, but behind the scenes, that URL is now ready to be pasted. From here, you can use this product link anywhere you like. Open a new browser tab, a social media platform, your email marketing tool, or even a messaging app, and paste the link directly into your post or message. This makes it easy for customers to click and land right on that specific product page. That's all you need to do. Open your product, click Share, copy the link, and then paste it wherever you want to promote or share that item. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick part of your daily workflow for marketing and customer support.